Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. On this episode, we have an update on what is going down, or should I say what went down with Dovey Magnum. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. Talking News is here. Yes, before I even tell you, Dovey Magnum, last night, she put a post on her Instagram, saying something about vlogger Kingmixup. I'll show that right now. Take a look. You see it there? All right. And now, here is the update on what's going on with her. She left a statement. And this is what the statement says. I'm here to put all the speculations to rest regarding the Dovey Magnum rumors about her being held by immigration. It would be foolish of us to deny this. But what we are not going to do is do the add-on speculations. So, to clear the air, this is an immigration issue, not a criminal topic. There is only one problem, and it's regarding her overstaying here in the States. I have retained an attorney who goes by the name, Mr. Farquharson, and has declared this is only an immigration issue, not a criminal case. That's good, because criminal case is messy. I have spoken to her assistant, Miss Stewart, who was present when everything occurred while at the airport with Dovey Magnum, and no government nor law enforcement have ever been to Miss Harrison's residence, because they both were held at the airport for questioning before entering Atlanta. All right, so they said that she went to Dominican Republic and she came back in to the States. All right, everything is adding up right now. That's why I waited. All right. As for Dovey, the Barbie doll makeover she did recently to have her body done, this was all a part of her rebranding and image along with her new developing album. I spoke with her son Jay, and he is doing okay during the whole tribulation. Despite it all, this is a child without his mother currently. Oh man. My position recently was the rebranding, organize Dovey on a professional level here for the States. We will continue to support her despite her current dilemma. As for right now, the artist is looking to get well and eager to see her son ASAP, of course. It's best to hear it from me than the speculations. I'm looking to make this situation as transparent as possible, respectfully. All right, so that's what's going on, people. Yeah, like I said, I would not wish that on anybody. The jail thing is a serious thing. Leave jail for those who need to go to jail. No matter how big or small the issue is, damn, that's terrible. Well, the dude Dovey, just stand strong. Everybody with you. And just come out and hope everything is all right. And you'll see your little man soon as possible, all right? People, this is a serious thing. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this. This is responsible vlogging. Me not tell nobody now. I'm not saying somebody else is, but I'm speaking for myself. Plus, it's reggae music, because dancehall is a place. And I'm Daddy Reds. I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause, a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.